We had a common vision as to what the office of the future would look like. And the common vision was that landlord and operator would come together to deliver a program of spaces and experiences that would cater to the tenants. We had a vision to transform office buildings into a space that's really tenant-centric and customer-centric. I believe another very interesting shift that's happening today, that's begun recently, which is the amenitization of workspace beyond just a floor or a siloed space within a building. What's happening today is that this flexible workspace, together with its amenities, is becoming an integral part of the buildings. So at the Work project, we actually categorize our product types into three, which is Work, Meet, and Host. So Work is our co-working product. Meet, we have a variety of meeting room products ranging from boardrooms to classrooms, innovation rooms, etc. Then we have hosting facilities, which are a cafe, tenants lounge, VIP lounge, C-suite lounge, catering facilities, which support our meeting and workspace products as well. We believe that these are the essential amenities that service the office tenant within an office building. The amenitization of the building has only just begun. The work that's being done today will only really be seen in 2021, 2022. We've piloted our first Work, Meet, and Host comprehensive solution in Capital Tower early this year. However, what we are able to do with some of the newer developments, it goes beyond what we've delivered in Capital Tower, and we're seeing similar examples across the world with different operator-landlord partnerships. Beyond Work, Meet, and Host, of course, office buildings have other requirements, but I think it very much depends on who is the community in that building and how should the experience be programmed to fit to that particular set of community. The rise of flexible workspace as a phenomenon and the rise of amenitization of office buildings as a phenomenon is universal. That's universal because the main driver there is economics. And by including shared workspaces into a company's real estate portfolio, you are going to have a much more efficient real estate portfolio. Secondly, recruiting the best talent, having the best amenities, and having an office building and workspaces that cater to your employees' needs, that's a universal requirement, irrespective of what industry you're in. I think the only difference is that there are going to be certain buildings or districts that cater to certain industries. According to your latest occupier survey, 91% of the top 200 occupiers in Asia Pacific are already in a co-working space or are looking to be in a co-working space in the near future. The reason why that's happening is because flexible workspace and an amenitization of workspace is a universal trend. I see this being something that's going to affect how every industry works. Believe it or not, the competition amongst operators is not as fierce as most people think, because we're not really taking customers from each other. We're actually gaining market share as an industry as a whole.